75% of eligible Coloradans age 12 and up have received at least one dose of the vaccine. And today, Governor Jared Polis focused on the 25% of Coloradans who are eligible but are not vaccinated, saying they suffer the most, die the most often, and cause greater spread in our communities.
The life that you save could be a loved one, could be your own.
All right, let's take a deeper look at the numbers here. There are more than 900 Coloradans hospitalized with COVID-19. More than 80% of those hospitalized in Colorado are unvaccinated. And our state's health team also says this is a number that should worry all of us. There are only 197 ICU beds available statewide. Hospitals are now putting plans in place to prepare for a fall surge.
The president believes a vaccine mandate is the best way to prevent our hospitals from becoming overwhelmed. But tonight, still a lot of unanswered questions about the president's executive actions announced yesterday,
including the order that requires large employers to mandate the vaccine or have workers show proof of a negative test weekly.
Denver 7's Russell Haythorne pushed the governor for answers today. Russell, things are still fairly fluid at this point.
Yeah, Gary, definitely more questions than answers. For example, how will this be enforced? Will there be fines? And who exactly will be the enforcement agency? President Biden rolling out a plan that will impact about 100 million Americans, ordering all businesses with more than 100 workers to either require vaccines or a COVID test once a week. But Colorado Governor Jared Polis said how that would be enforced is still very unclear.
The federal piece is that's not something the state is involved with enforcement of. We are expecting rules from the U.S. Department of Labor, and we don't know more than you know at this point.
The governor also says fines would likely be structured by the U.S. Department of Labor.
We've read, just like you have, that there could be fines for companies or fines for however they choose to implement that under their authority. We have not seen that, and we'll probably see at the same time you do. If we get some idea about it, we're happy to share it with you. But
Republican governors are pushing back on the mandate, including Florida Governor Rick DeSantis.
To put them out of work and send them and not let them earn a living because of this, I just think that that's fundamentally wrong.
A statement from OSHA today says the agency is developing a rule that will require employers to provide paid time off for the time it takes workers to get vaccinated or recover if they're under the weather. But that statement does not elaborate on enforcement. Polis today pleading with Coloradans to just get vaccinated.
we would not be anything close to hospital capacity or crisis or ICU limits if everybody was vaccinated.
President Biden also hasn't given a timetable in terms of when this will all roll out or whether there will be local control in terms of enforcing the vaccine mandate. We'll keep you posted on all of that. For now, we're live at the state capitol. Russell Haythorne, Denver 7.
And of course, the Republican National Committee has said it plans to sue the Biden administration in an attempt to fight the new vaccine rules. The president does not seem too worried, though, about those lawsuit threats. Today, the president visited a Washington, D.C. middle school to discuss his plan to combat the pandemic. He criticized the GOP governors who issued statewide bans on mask and vaccine mandates.
Have at it. Look, I am so disappointed that particularly some Republican governors have been so cavalier with the health of these kids, so cavalier with the health of their communities. We're playing for real here. This isn't a game.